was opening night in Frisco on Thursday as the Rough Riders played their first home game of the 2016 season with a 5-1 record coming in, the best record in the Texas League. Their opponent, the Northwest Arkansas Naturals, and they sent Frank Lopez back to the mound, who threw 6 shutout innings on opening night on the road. Let's see how he did.
Lopez started off quite well, getting out of jams in both the first and the second innings, but in the third, Bubba Starling with 2 men on was able to plate the first run of the ball game, giving Northwest Arkansas a 1-0 lead. The Riders could get nothing going against the southpaw starter of Northwest Arkansas. That is until the 6th inning when they unloaded on Matt Strom and southpaw reliever Sam Selman. Frisco put the first 3 men on against Strom in the 6th, including this double deep to left center field from Ryan Cordell. That brought in both Luis Marte and Isaiah Kiner-Falefa to give the Rough Riders a 2-1 lead. 2 batters later, Ronald Guzman, he brings in Cordell. That chases Strom from the ballgame. The Rough Riders with a 3-1 advantage, but it was not over in the 6th. Against the new pitcher Sam Selman, Preston Beck at the plate with 2 on, and oh my goodness, Preston Beck with a deep drive to right field. The first home run into the Choctaw Lazy River just a couple of months before it opens up in June. And the big fly gives the Rough Riders a 6-1 advantage. They added to that more long ball action in the 7th. Luis Marte with his first of the year. That one's out, and the Rough Riders take a 7-1 lead. But with 2 outs and nobody on, Ramon Torres was the final batter as a nasty breaking pitch from Adam Parks gets him to close out the ballgame. And the Riders win their first game at home to improve to 6-1 on the season. The home runs from Beck and Marte marked the first time this year the Riders have hit 2 home runs in a game, and they continue to hit well with runners in scoring position, going 3 for 5 on the night. Lopez took no decision in the outing, going 5 1/3, allowing just a run on 5 hits and 3 walks, as the win went to Jose Valdespina for his 2 innings of scoreless relief work. The Rough Riders are back in action on Friday night, taking on the Naturals for Game 2 of the set, when Connor Sadzik will get the ball for the 7:05 first pitch.
Until next time, for Riders TV, I'm Nathan Barnett.